Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Slack user group to notify entire teams at once and stay organized without tagging everyone individually. Step 1. Access the Directories menu. In the 2026 Slack layout, user groups are managed through the centralized directory hub rather than the main channel list. Look at the very top of your left-hand sidebar and click on Directories, then select User Groups. This opens the master list of groups in your workspace. If you don't see the Create User Group button here, it likely means your workspace admin has restricted this feature to managers only. If it is available, click the Create User Group button in the top right corner to start the setup. Step 2. Define your group name and handle. This is where you set the trigger word that people will type to notify the group. Enter a name like Marketing Team and a handle like @MarketingTeam. The handle is what people will actually type in messages to get the group's attention. Keep it short, lowercase, and easy to remember. In 2026, you can also select default channels in this step. Any new member you add to this group will be automatically invited to those channels, saving you a massive amount of manual onboarding time. Step 3. Add members and save. The final step is to populate your group with the right people. Click Next, then use the search bar to find and select the teammates you want to include. Once finished, click Create Group. You can add as many members as you need. From now on, whenever someone mentions your handle, like @MarketingTeam, in any channel, everyone you just added will receive a notification. You can return to this menu at any time to add or remove people as your team evolves. And that's pretty much it. To create a user group in 2026, go to Directories, then User Groups, click Create User Group, and choose a clear name and handle. Add your teammates and link any default channels to ensure your group is both mentionable and helps automate your team's workflow. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.